great country India becomes a developed country, our country becomes prosper, all people are happy, the India becomes the Viksit Bharat at first on behalf of the world's largest professional accounting body.
Chaudhary and Rohit Khare, the Joint Director, to our respected past President of ICIC, Dr. Debashish Mitra, to Sushil Goyal, the Central Council member and the Chairman of GST Committee, who has taken all the efforts to make sure that we all assemble together and have such an auspicious ceremony, I would say, of having this MOU and signing ceremony with NACIM, the National Academy of Custom Indirect Tax and Narcotics, which is happening today, in the areas of Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Patna and Shillong. Chairman Vishnu Tulsian, Secretary and Treasurer Mayur, Ravi Patwa, the past chairman, immediate past chairman Devail Patra, to all the press, media and officers over here. I just want to say one thing, this moment, why this moment is so important. The world is changing. We are working in a very, very collaborative environment, where in each and every organization, when we talk about skill development, is playing a very, very important role. In fact, the country and the nation is looking towards skills as the most important element for the overall development of the country.
Madam. हम ICI से एक पार्टनरशिप एग्रीमेंट साइन किया है। ये नासिम के 4 इंस्टीट्यूट, जो भुवनेश्वर, कलकत्ता, शिलांग एंड पटना, 4 इंस्टीट्यूट जो 12 स्टेट और एक यूनियन टेरिटरी को कैटर करते हैं, जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जो CGST के ऑफिसर्स हैं, कस्टम्स के ऑफिसर्स हैं और स्टेट GST के जो ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनको हम लोग ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। तो उनके ट्रेनिंग के लिए हमें एक्सपर्टीज़ की ज़रूरत है, एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी, एक्सपर्ट ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल। तो उसके लिए हमने ICI से पार्टनरशिप किया, क्योंकि ये लोग भी सिमिलर ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं अपने मेंबर्स को, ट्रेड इंडस्ट्री को। इनकी एक्सपर्टीज़ है बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे, स्पेशली अकाउंट्स एंड GST, दे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग डे इन डे आउट। तो इनके पास बहुत सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं, एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी मेंबर्स। तो हम लोग को बहुत उससे फ़ायदा होगा, नासिम को विल गेट एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी, और उससे हमारे ऑफिसर्स को भी बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। तो हमारा दोनों का एक ही पर्पस है कि टैक्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फेयर एंड जस्ट मैनर में इम्प्लीमेंट। तो उसके लिए हमें इनकी ज़रूरत है कि हमारे ऑफिसर्स अगर ट्रेंड होंगे तो इफ़िशिएंटली और इफ़ेक्टिवली टैक्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को एडमिनिस्टर कर पाएंगे। थैंक यू।
Dr. Debashish Mitra, past President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I am joined by Sushil Goyal, who is a Central Council member and Chairman Indirect Tax Committee of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And to his right is Sanjeev Sanghi, the Chairman of the Eastern Regional Council of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It's a very important day for us as we sign the Memorandum of Understanding with NACIM, to train its officers on various facets of indirect taxes. Under an Act of Parliament on 1st of July 1949, is the largest accounting body in the world. On 1st of July in 2017, the GST was introduced to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister. We are a leader on GST education, and it is our great privilege that we have joined hands with NACIM, a very respected organization, for imparting training and education on this very important subject of GST. We hope that as we go ahead, we'll work hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, with one common goal, that is nation first, and with also this idea that we shall forward this image that the former President of India had about us, that we are a partner in nation building. Thank you.